Today, I would like to talk about Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. In other words, ADHD. ADHD combined type, ADHD inattentive type. What is ADHD? ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects children, teens, and adults. What are some of the signs and symptoms of ADHD? You will find in children and also in adults and teens, distractibility, intrusive, very disruptive, procrastination, fidgetiness, poor concentration, lack of attentiveness, difficulty listening when you're speaking to them. And they lose things. They have difficulty organizing. They are forgetful. Sometimes they talk too much, and that talking comes from anxiety. So when they're having a lot of anxiety, you're going to find, and that's also found in adults, when someone is talking too much constantly, they're experiencing high level of anxiety, and they're impulsive, and there's nervousness that you will find. And so with fidgetiness, tapping, or they will have to have something in their hand that they will have to constantly be moving. And it can be very annoying to the other person who's having to listen to that, as well as listen to the person who actually is fidgety, because they're trying to pay attention to what the person is saying. Instead, the noise or the sound from the gadget or whatever they're having to hold for their fidgetiness is very distracting to the other person. And I find that even in my sessions, I have seen my clients who are holding something and constantly playing with that. And so that's one of the clues. I want to ask more questions as to what other areas are they having difficulty with. Now, there are tests for a child who's in school. There's Connor's rating scale, and one of the forms is filled out by the teacher and the other one is filled out by the parents. And you can pretty much go through that and get the score, and it can tell you that the person has ADHD and whether it's the inattentive type or whether it's the hyperactive type. There's a lot of testing sites now. When I was doing this many years ago, back then we did not have testing sites, but now we do have specific designed testing places. And so you can go there and, have yourself tested if you have any of these symptoms. And also there are medications. There's Adderall, Vyvanse, Focalin, Ritalin, Concerta, and I'm sure there are more that are coming out on the market. You will need to see a psychiatrist or a nurse practitioner or a physician's assistant in psych to be able to give you the medication. But you can go see a therapist, a licensed clinical social worker, or someone that is trained with ADHD and can help you determine whether you have those symptoms and what to do about that. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you here on my channel as I upload some more videos. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'm wishing you the best. Thank you.